The Cupra Dark Rebel show car is a breathtaking glimpse into the future of automotive design. A brainchild of innovation and daring aesthetic, this vehicle defies traditional design paradigms by integrating cutting-edge technology with provocative artistry. The exterior of the Cupra Dark Rebel is crafted to challenge and provoke, setting the stage for an interior that magnifies emotion through dynamic lighting effects. The car's interior showcases a fluid skin-like surface that serves as a canvas for immersive ambient lighting and interactive digital elements, blurring the lines between the physical and virtual worlds. Francesca Sangalli, head of color and trim concept and strategy at Cupra, emphasizes the role of light as a core element in the design, transforming the interior into a series of 3 unique gamified environments: square, cube, and infinite. Each setting offers a unique interaction, from changing lighting to adaptive soundscapes, reflecting Cupra's innovative digital DNA. Moreover, the Cupra Dark Rebel features a reconfigurable interior. The central spine, steering wheel, and pedal cluster adjust to the driver, enhancing both comfort and control. This is complemented by the Super Sport bucket seats with 3D knitted, color-changing upholstery, showcasing the potential of parametric design and additive manufacturing. Through these pioneering technologies, Cupra not only reinvents the driving experience, but also reinforces its commitment to authenticity and innovative design.